If your Chrome browser is running slow, not loading pages correctly, or showing outdated website content, clearing the cache is one of the quickest fixes you can try. In this video, I'll show you how to clear the cache in Google Chrome step by step, and I'll also show you the fastest shortcut to get it done in seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now, to bring up the Clear Browsing Data window instantly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This is the fastest way to get to the cache settings without digging through menus. Once the Clear Browsing Data window appears, you'll see a few options you can control. The main setting you want to focus on is Cached Images and Files. Make sure that box is checked. This is the option that removes stored website files from your browser, which often helps fix loading issues and outdated page content. You may also see other options like cookies and other site data and browsing history. Those are optional depending on what you want to remove. If you only want to clear the cache, you can leave the other boxes unchecked. If you want a deeper cleanup, you can select those too, but keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of websites. Next, choose your time range. If you want to clear the full Chrome cache, select All Time. That is the best choice if you want a complete reset of stored files. But if you only want to clear recent data, you can pick Last Hour, Last 24 Hours, or Last 7 Days instead. For most situations, All Time is the safest and most effective option when you're troubleshooting browser problems. After you've selected the correct options, click Delete Data. Chrome will now remove the cached files automatically. Depending on how much data is stored, this may take a few seconds. Once it's finished, you may notice websites load more cleanly, and some pages may refresh with the latest version of their content. If a website was stuck, glitching, or showing old information, this often fixes it right away. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to clear cache in Google Chrome using a simple shortcut and a few quick settings. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.